Now I need to do some serious measuring. This is how Finn looks when he wakes up. He needs to do his hair.
He looks perfect. And our towel's like hanging in the closet. Look at his paw.
His paw. Is that your bathing suit?
The hosts always do it the worst. We have 81 5-star reviews now.
Woo!
Our recent guest just said, we had a great stay. The house is beautiful and clean, and the owners are very responsive and accommodating. We'll definitely come back. And then the one before that just wrote beautiful and tranquil. But I didn't know that they wrote that, so that's cool too.
Yeah. So, Finn, what do you think? Do you think it's beautiful and tranquil? Boop.
Great rising. Just took Finn on a walk. The construction crew should be here. The construction crew. The cement guys should be here at 8. Our guys should be here at 7. We will see. I don't know if he's going to be here that early, but we got up early. So that if he is, we are ready. Look how pretty this looks now. I'm so happy, especially now that the sprinkler's been fixed. That was my bad. I'm sure Michael showed you. He put a little rock formation now, so I know not to go there. Look, I still want to do this here in the front. Look how much better it looks. You tired?
No, I'm waking up. Really cute little sprouts on the cactus. The 3.
Do you think they'll flower this year? It didn't last year.
That bunny really messed it up, didn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice chomp out of it.
Okay, so today is the day the concrete is getting poured. Today, at least fingers crossed.
We think.
Well, the concrete is coming at 10 o'clock. The contractor is coming at, he said 7 or 8 to get that third hole put in the front. Very excited to like do this. The hot tub, this. I can't believe we're already here, you know?
But also, why has it taken us so long? But also very expensive.
Yeah, very expensive, but very worth it. These were kind of like those were the two like big, like expense things that we wanted to do to the house. There's nothing else that we want to do that's like really, really expensive.
No, there's one big, beautiful project that we're going to work on.
But it's not that
Hopefully
expensive.
this summer. No.
It's just time consuming.
Yeah.
What we want to do. That involves plants, which are very expensive.
We'll see.
Well, we need to make sure we can afford everything because we're spending a lot of money on this project right now. We'll see if we can get to that this year. Who knows? Trying to clean up. We got to get out of here later today. The next step is to figure out all of the wood that we need to build the pergola. We are going to try and tackle that ourselves. We have some really good inspiration. I'm going to spend the entire weekend while we have guests here researching, learning how to do all that stuff. Definitely gonna need some muscle help from friends, family maybe. Should be fun. Should be a lot of fun. Excited, nervous.
Okay, bye.
Guys, concrete is here. You know us on this channel, we do love a good DIY, but this was just something that after doing tons of research, we felt that we would leave to the professionals. It is expensive and it can be a very expensive mistake if you mess it up. and it does not look good. So we decided to hire these guys that were absolute professionals. They came in and they did this entire job in under an hour. There was a delay with the concrete truck, but once the concrete truck arrived, they just got to work and spread it all out. Once they got it all spread out, then they went back and smoothed it all, and it ended up looking beautiful. You'll see at the end here. But this is about a 21 by 22 foot area, so this is a really large area for concrete. And this will serve as the base for our covered patio area that we think will add a lot of value to our short-term rental. All right, so the concrete truck is gone. We got the guys out there now, smoothing it all out, making it look beautiful. And my drone died. I wanted to get like a full time lapse for you guys, but my drone died. So I'm gonna charge it and we'll get some nice footage. Here's some nice footage. We'll get some nice footage of it when it is done. All right, it's time. Put our hands in it.
You're gonna do your right or left hand?
We'll do opposite. Sure. Go first. Do your right hand and I'll do my left hand.
Okay. Where, like right here?
Wherever you want, yeah.
This is so exciting.
Did it work? There we go. We have like the same size.
My fingers are longer than yours, I think.
There we go, that works.
Pretty chill. I've seen you guys do it. That's sick.
Yeah.
That's
Cute.
sick.
Woo, low budget remodeling.
All right.
We do concrete, in-ground concrete benches, fire pits. We do cowboy tubs and decks, and we do gravel. We do landscaping. We do it all. We do painting. We do drywall.
Great.
Yeah, we do it all.
Yeah.
Vinyl flooring.
I mean, this looks great. Yeah. They're almost done right here. Initials or no?
Yeah.
Look at this. It's done, Kristen. Wow. Look at that.
That's crazy.
This is gonna be a nice hangout spot. You know Mom's trying to clean this room, right? He sunk deeper. Okay, so here is the shape that we are leaving the backyard in for our guests. We are gonna ask them to not walk on the patio until, what is it, tomorrow night. But we got the plants replanted, the fence put back up. I think this is gonna be really nice when it's all done. Long week being out here, but I feel like it was necessary getting a lot of things checked off our list. So now we just measured the entire structure, and now I have to go home and plan out what we are going to do for that. So gotta order some wood, gotta spend some more money, gotta do a lot of planning. It's time to get out of here. Thank you for watching us on this journey of upgrading our Airbnb short-term rental to be the best that it can be. this fly ant thing is carrying this caterpillar. It's insane.
It's okay, we're going home. Do you want to go home? And learn how to build a pergola. Bye, house. Love you.
Be good to our guests.
Yes. Michael's birthday is in 2 days, and we are heading down south for a couple days to just have a relaxing time, but I'm making some cupcakes to bring with us because his friends are gonna surprise him down there. I'm excited.
Hey everybody, what's up?
What's up, YouTube?
My shaver died. And I was leaving this as a joke, and then my shaver died and we had to leave, so this is where we're at now.
I like it. I think it's kind of hot.
It is my birthday tomorrow. It is currently Cinco de Mayo. I used to do this thing where I just had my birthday party on the 5th because we could call it Cinco de Michael. So now people just say it and it's a thing. And so we're going to celebrate Cinco de Michael today. I don't know where she is taking me. Yes, I did get a haircut, and we'll see what the weekend has in store for us. Kristen asked me to vlog. We're walking down to the beach. We're at Crystal Cove.
Yep.
We're going to the Beachcomber Cafe.
Yep.
If you're ever in the Newport Beach area, fun fact, Kobe used to live up here.
Yep.
R.I.P.
In fact, it's true.
Beautiful restaurant on the beach. We'll show you. But you gotta, to get there, you can either take a shuttle for $2, or you can walk through the Babbling Brook tunnel and get your feet all wet here. So for my birthday, Kristen surprised me with a day of golf with my friends at this place called The Ranch in Laguna Beach. I missed every one of those shots that I filmed, and we had an amazing lunch. They all sang happy birthday to me. Then Kristen and I went and we got massages at the hotel we were staying at, and you know, I didn't really film much this day, but it was a much needed change of pace from everything going on in life. And also we had guests at our property all weekend, so we were making money while on vacation. So we have officially finished our stay here in Laguna Beach. Dana Point, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dana Point.
We got massages yesterday. We didn't film any of that.
We got massages yesterday. We got to go into the spa here.
Mm-hmm.
It's very nice. We opted out of dinner last night
We were so full.
because we were so full. We had eaten so much. From here today, we are going to pick up Finn. None of this is important, but
But we're going to the house
we
tomorrow.
will be at the house tomorrow to start on the whole project for the patio cover for the concrete that you saw us pour last time.
So excited.
Right?
Yep. Let's get her done.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get the backyard ready for summer because we just got another July booking.
Yes.
Today. When we woke up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and we have guests checking out. Oh, that's why I started filming. Okay, I remember why I started filming. This entire weekend, while we were here, one of the points of this channel is to show you what it's like to be a host. One of the things that I wanted to show you is that, like, all this time this weekend that we were here, we had guests at the house. Yesterday we had two one-night stays this weekend. So what is it, Friday night and then Saturday night, and Kristen was dealing with check-in, check-out. It's cool because, like, we made what, like $800-900 this weekend,
Yeah.
and we were on vacation and we just made that much money. That is one of the cool parts about Airbnb. While you're doing things on the weekend, people are helping you create income. Yeah, I'm done with my rant now, and we gotta pack up, get out of here, and I think we're gonna go to the beach and hang out today.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's such a beautiful day. Here, I'll show you. I have to say, growing up and living in Southern California, you become kind of like snowblind to some of the things that you have, like, in your area. And we, as Southern Californians, we grew up coming down to this area, Laguna, Newport, Dana Point. But if you are not and have never been to California, and you think California, like, when you go to California, you should go to LA.
Don't.
Honestly, do LA as a day trip, or, like, you can drive back and forth between LA, but Laguna Beach is, I've been to the Amalfi Coast, although it's not comparable.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful, beautiful place. Like, if you are looking to come to California, and if I was out of state and I wanted a friend to tell me where to go in California, I would say make sure you visit Laguna Beach, because it is like, it's like movie homes up on the cliffs, beautiful beaches, like old shops, and I don't know. It's very, very beautiful here.
And although Malibu is also beautiful and kind of reminds me of this area, this is very walkable and, like, close-knit streets and places to go, and Malibu's a little more spread out, and there's a huge highway.
The highway is right on the ocean, and in Laguna and Newport, it kind of winds in and out. So, like, right now we're driving through the middle of Laguna Beach, and there's shops and hotels on either side. See, there's shops and hotels on either side, but there's, like, little art shops and things, and
it has a festival of the arts, I think, too.
Yeah, it has a festival of the arts. But I don't know, I just feel like we know that a lot of our viewers aren't from California, but if you're thinking of coming to California, definitely, we've stayed at this hotel right here. I think I got footage of it. Bless you.
Thank you.
We've also eaten at this Jack in the Box a lot. Right here. Look at this. And the beach is right that way, like one street. So it's, like, got all these cool old little shops and stuff. Oh, and there's a trolley. Look at that. There's a trolley. Just got here. Look at the flowers on the aloe out front.
Bug Central.
So we just got off the phone with I called the lumber people.
Okay.
Big beams that go across, the two big beams are delayed.
Everything else falls down, you're gonna be there forever.
Yeah.